Guys, I'm editing, and you're sitting on a coffee can just like if I was doing a live feed. But so I'm editing, and I realized that I didn't tell you guys. So I know that I say I can't show you how you want to see this if you want to see the full video. What I meant to throw in there that my brain said, but my mouth didn't, was go to full30.com. I'm going to do a full-on video about it on full30.com for this Olight, because it's pew pew related, and I don't want to have to try and figure out the gray lines for that here. So guys, without any further ado, if you're watching on headphones, turn down the volume, because here come a little bit of music. All right, guys, didn't even get the tripod out for this. This is gonna be real quick. I have a new product from Olight again. So if you guys remember, Olight sent me this. Now, I can't show you the way I wanna show you. So if you wanna see a full-on video about this, this video is going up on the 14th. The sale starts the 15th. That way you guys have a day to see it. But if you remember, Olight sent me this tactical rail light that I really like. This is at 600 lumens. Wow, that is bright. 600 lumens, ambidextrous. So just picture this is mounted on a rail below a pew pew. So like I said, it's kind of hard for me to do this. That's why we're doing it this way. So this is the mini Valkyrie, and it's just a light. It's a 600 lumens, magnetically rechargeable. You don't have to take it off. There's no batteries to take out, things like that. I love it. Really like it. I never thought I wanted, like I'd said in the video, a rail light on a handgun. I never really saw until I got it. And then I was like, wow, this is really cool. So this has a big brother. Now, I've seen the green version, but what this is the Balder RL. So this is the Balder, it's like the Balder Mini RL. So the Balder was a much larger, Matt already actually had one. You saw it in one of the videos if you follow me on Full30, which was the big version that I had on my Springfield Armory. Well, what they've done now is they've taken this and added a red dot laser. So I'm gonna take this off the rail of my... So it mounts exactly the same way. You have the rail that goes on, you have the mount that goes on the rail of the firearm, and then this slides in and out to adjust your, how far back it goes. Now this has 3 different settings. So right now, it's just on the light. There's the laser. I don't know how well you guys can see that. There's the laser. Now it has a 3rd setting. I'm gonna have to try and turn around and show you, but it's both combined, which is the one I really like. I didn't think I would. So you have a red dot laser, you have a flashlight, which is 600 lumens, 130 meter throw. So this one only had a 100 meter throw. This is actually, it's the one thing I will say is this is dimensionally, everything about this is bigger, including the weight and the price. But like I said, I'm gonna have a link to the sale. This is adjustable. So these lights, this light here has got a red laser, a light. Now it does not have the function, I do not believe. Let me make sure. I didn't test this. No. So Matt's had, if you held down both lights or both triggers, you got a strobe. So at any rate, what I was saying is really good light with a red dot laser. Now let me see if I can get this turned around and show you. I might have to break the tripod out for that, but I'm going to show you what it looks like on the wall. All right, guys, there's the light, 600 lumens. Now here's the red dot by itself. Now it's not showing up too well, but it does, it works pretty well. You get a pretty good light on it. It's a pretty good sight. I have adjusted it. I have sighted it in with a bore sight and made sure they matched up at a specific distance. And then when you have both, you guys can't really see it too well, but you've got the light with the sight in the middle of it. See? So that function of having both, I really, really like. I've been messing around with it here in the house. I did adjust it. Like I said, I have a bore sight so that I could, put the bore sight down the barrel and then at a specific distance, line that up so that I knew that that laser was going to land where the bullet was going to land. So I did sight it in that way. I have not shot it, but you can adjust that. It comes with the tool. Up, down, left, right. You take the range, you can do it. You can see right there, there's the laser aperture right above the LED. So all in all, this thing is great. It is a little bit heavier than this. This one with the actual mount and this by itself are about the same. Add this, it's slightly heavier, but once you get used to it and it's on the firearm, I didn't notice it as much as I thought it would, because I noticed, I was like, wow, that's definitely heavier. But once you have it on, I saw no issue with it. So have not decided. I may package this one back up and use this as a giveaway on Full 30. Like I said, magnetically chargeable. It mounts on. It's really nice because once this is on the rail, you can adjust this just like that one, just like they're both the same in that feature. They're great little lights. I really like it. I had not thought that I was going to like the additional weight, but once it's on there, you don't even notice. So yeah, guys, I will have a link to the sale below. And like I said, this is a great little light. And just to point it out again, I think I put the cord in here. It comes with a magnetic cord so that you can just, that's how you charge it, right? Like that. Now I put the balder back on it, and then it comes with the attachments. If you do not have a 1913 rail, which is a Picatinny rail, if you have a Glock or a Springfield Armory and Glock use a different attachment to hook onto the rail. So it comes with all of that. So yeah, guys, Olight has really, I know some people are like, oh, don't start shilling for Olight. Everything that Olight has sent me has been amazing. Like I use that Baton 3. I use that thing all the time. It's constantly in my pocket, and I put it on my bill of my hat. So for anybody that, there may have been some issues in the past. I have not had a single issue with any of the stuff they've sent me. I just wish I would like to see one of the ones for a long gun. They have them with the remote. Like I'd like to see one for a rifle. Like I would take it and put it on Matt's long arm and put it on there and see how I like that and see how they are. And we would do some testing on that. But, hey, it's still for a little light that you can, let's take it back off of here, for a little light that you can put on and have multiple features. That's great. And the fact is, it's really easy to adjust, and it comes with all the tools. It comes with the same tool that you use to mount the rail piece in the mount is the same thing you adjust. It comes with one Allen wrench that fits everything. So all of these screws here that attach your rail mount, it's the same thing. It comes with everything. So I really like these. I didn't think I never thought I would like a tactical light on a handgun. I just never saw the purpose for it until I got one. So sorry about that, guys. I edited a little bit of stuff out. Anyway, I said something I really didn't want to bring up in this one. Yeah, Olight. The Olight stuff they've sent me, it's all been great. So guys, I'm gonna get off here. I have to shoot an actual full video of this for Full 30. Like I said, if you want to know about this in depth, like I've been playing around with it. I haven't taken it to the range yet, but I did, like I said, bore sight it and match it up at distance. So it's I have a feeling it's going to be pretty accurate when I can match it up with the bore sight. Really easily adjustable. Guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but try to tell me why. There is a membership tab below if you want to help support the channel. There's also an applause tab, which is basically like tips. Like if you like the video and you want to just leave a, like, hey, I really liked it, and let me know, you can leave an applause tab. And yeah, guys, if you're not checking the community tab too, you're missing out on some content. I put stuff up there, links to other videos. I put up a thing about a crypto mining app that I've been using for about a year. for you guys. A lot of you guys already followed it, so, you know, feel free. Love you guys. Take it easy. Sorry that the content has been weird lately, but things have been weird lately. So take it easy. I'll talk to you next time.